Well, I just did it first. I just removed my old pressure reducing valve from my main line because I was getting a high reading of 90 to almost 100 pounds per square inch. I just put the new one in, and it was a hard one to take off too, let me tell you. And right now I'm getting a steady reading of 60. Now the other one would continuously go, where am I? Would continuously go down to around 90, 95, and then I would get a noise, like a rattling noise. But this one seems to be staying at 60. And if I'm still getting the same water pressure upstairs, that should take care of a lot of the knocking I've been getting in the pipes. But that was a first for me, doing this. And so far it seems to be holding up pretty good. So I'm a happy camper. Oh, and I meant to add the new valve, the one I put in, comes in with the this nut here on the left. So if you're getting the same valve, I kept the old one that came with the old, with the old one on there, so I didn't have to fool around with that. The only one I was concerned with was this one here. That one was a BITCH to get off. I mean, I had to put everything I had into it and I had to be careful not to break any pipes here. And the only concern I had was leaks, and so far it's pretty good. I'm happy with myself. See ya.